In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Google Ads support directly. If you've ever been in a situation where you need to get in touch with Google Ads support for any issues with your campaigns, you'll know it can sometimes be a bit tricky to navigate. So let's go through a streamlined approach that should make things much smoother for you. First things first, you need to head over to the Google Help page. This is the central hub where you can access a wide range of support resources offered by Google, not just for Google Ads, but for all Google products. Once you're there, look for the Google Ads section and click on it to proceed to more specific resources related to advertising. As you navigate around, you might notice the AI chat support feature located on the lower right of your screen. This is a handy tool that can provide quick answers to more straightforward queries, so it might be worth giving that a try if your concern is something that could be addressed with automated assistance. If you need more personalized help, you'll want to scroll down the page and click on the Contact Us button. This will begin an interactive process where you'll first need to type in a brief description of what your concern is about. Be as specific as possible here, as it will help direct your query to the right support team. Next, click on Next to continue. You'll then be prompted to choose the best description of your issue from a list of options. This is aimed at narrowing down your concern to ensure you get the right support. Once you've made your selection, click on Next Step. You might see a number of resources such as articles and help guides that could be valuable for troubleshooting your query on your own. Continue by clicking Next Step again. This will eventually guide you to contact options like emailing Google Ads support. Here you'll be asked to fill in all necessary details, including your contact information, the preferred way for Google to reach you, the best time for contact, and a summary of your issue. After completing these fields, you'll be ready to click Submit. If you prefer speaking to an actual person or need expert advice, try searching for the Google Ads customer service phone number. When you see Contact Google Ads Expert for ad support in your search results, click through. You'll find an option to view all contact methods. Don't forget to click Skip to Content to make navigation easier. Depending on your preference, you can either book a call within their available hours between 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. EDT from Monday to Friday, or simply call the support number directly. Keep in mind that phone numbers might vary based on your region, so make sure you verify this for your location, and that's it. With these steps, you'll be better equipped to get in touch with Google Ads support directly and get the help you need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.